guys, and welcome back to my channel. And for those of you that are new, welcome. I am Rebecca Christine, and this week's video I am doing a review of some new to me hair care products. I saw these on Sephora's website and I was so excited to try them. It is the Briogeo hair care line, and this is the box it came in. I got everything from Sephora. Let me show you the goodies I got. I got 3 different products, and one was a promotional item and was free. You can't beat that. But before I get into these products and I tell you all the goodies about these products, make sure, if you haven't already, make sure you go down and you subscribe and you turn the notification bell on to be notified whenever I come out with a new video. But get ready, because I'm going to come back with no makeup and wet hair, and we're going to try out these products together, shall we? These are the products I ordered. I only paid for 2, and the other one was a promotional item. But I have the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Biotin Dry Shampoo. This is going to be good for all types of hair, whether it's straight, curly, coiled, wavy, frizzy, whatever your hair type is, it's going to be good for you. See, it's going to basically clean, detoxify, and refresh your hair. There is no silicones, no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates. This is just such a good brand for your hair. Everything is all natural. This is all cruelty-free, so keep that in mind. There's no gluten, no DEA, or synthetic dyes. Sorry, I'm looking at my phone reading this. Make sure I get this exactly correct for you guys. But this brand is supposed to be great for your hair. It is by no means cheap or drugstore. This is the only place I've been able to find it is at Sephora. But I ordered it online to get the promotional item, so I could get one extra item without having to pay for it, since it is expensive. But this is a 1.7 ounce bottle, and this one is $24. I'm not going to test this one out today. Normally when I have to wash my hair at least every other day because it gets greasy so fast. So I'll be testing this out in about 2 days. But unlike most dry shampoos, when you're holding it down and to watch it spray out, this one you don't. You shake it and then you just squeeze the bottle. I don't know if you guys saw that. I don't want to waste it too much because it is expensive. But not a strong scent to that one. It kind of just smells natural. There's no fragrance, no lotiony smell, no oil, nothing, no smell to that whatsoever. But these are what I am going to be using today. These are also good for your hair, all natural. They're not going to have any bad products in there. There's silicones, DEA, synthetic dyes, fragrance, parabens, phthalates. All of these things, they are completely free. I have the Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Let me tell you how much this one is. I got the small bottle. This is a 1.75 ounce bottle for $9. This is the travel size. The dry shampoo, I forgot to mention, it only comes in that one size. So you can't order a smaller version of this. But this one, you can. So you can get a 5 ounce bottle of this for $20. Like I said, it's not cheap. I ordered travel size. I want to know if it's worth paying full size price for. So I'm going to be using this out today. And then I actually got this as a promotional item. This is a blow dry protectant cream. Let's see what this one smells like. A light scent, nothing too strong. It kind of just smells like a regular unscented lotion. And the leave-in conditioning spray smells amazing. It smells lemony, citrus scent to it, and which is listed in the ingredients. And also these ingredients are great. There's shea butter, coconut oil. The first item on this ingredients list is water. Like, these ingredients are so good for you. But let's go ahead and try these bad boys out. So the directions: spray throughout clean, damp hair before air or blow drying. So that's what I already did. So let's try this bad boy out. The citrus smell is so good. It's like very refreshing smell for sure. My hands do not feel greasy, oily, nothing at all. It doesn't feel like I have a layer on my skin. I'm going to go try out this heat protectant cream. It comes out as a nice little cream. I'm just using a little bit. My hair is long, so I'm going to grab just a little bit more for the ends of my hair. Just to make sure when I go do my hair in a little while that it is going to be thoroughly protected. But so far, it does not feel like my hair is heavy, which a lot of products on my wet hair just feels like it weighs my hair down and makes my hair flatter worse than it already is, but this does not feel like that. So that is a huge plus for me right now. So that is those two products, and like I said, I'm going to try out the dry shampoo in about 2 more days. So this video is going to take a few days for me to film. Now I am going to go ahead and blow dry and straighten my hair, and I will tell you what I think of these two products, if I think they are worth it, how my hair looks, how it feels, and things of that sort. What I did not mention was when I did take a shower, I used my normal shampoo and conditioners. Yes, this brand sells them. I couldn't afford to get them with it. Unfortunately, there was a few products I really wanted to get, but I could not afford it. And then the one item I really wanted to get, they have this awesome looking charcoal mask for your hair. Sephora was sold out. I was not able to get a hold of that, not in the smaller size, and I couldn't afford the big size, but that is one thing I actually am really looking forward to trying out. It's kind of like an exfoliator for your hair, so it really purifies and takes off any dead skin, which is going to be great for my friends out there with dandruff. It's going to really help exfoliate and clean up your scalp, so it will actually tame down how much dryness and flakiness you have on your scalp. So I'm actually really anxious to get my hands on that. So that is one item I look forward into trying out at some point if I can ever get my hands on it. For now, this is all I could get. That's why I grabbed the dry shampoo. It is a charcoal as well, so it's also going to clean and detoxify my hair. But anyway, so let me go finish doing my hair. I'll come back and have my makeup done and all of that, and I will tell you what I feel of the leave-in conditioning spray and the heat protectant cream. So I will be right back, you guys. Okay, so I am back. I got my makeup on and I got my hair done. I did not curl it. I don't have a good curling wand. I've been trying to find a good one. As a matter of fact, if that is a video that you guys would be interested in, following me in a journey to find the perfect curling wand for hair that does not like to listen, make sure you go down and like this video, and I will see what I can do about bringing you guys along my journey. My hair does not like to hold a curl, so anything that's going to help do the job for me I'm interested in. So if that's something that you guys have the problem with too, and you want to follow me on that journey, like this video below and I will do that for you guys. But anyway, so I tried out these two products and my hair feels, for one, it feels strong and it feels like a thorough clean. It is so soft and silky. I have not felt my hair feel like this in forever. Like, it just feels so good. I am impressed. I do have to say I'm not too big in heat protected creams. Usually they feel really greasy and oily and heavy in my hair. This one did not do that so much, so I'm impressed. I want to use it a few more times. I definitely want to see if they have it in a spray option too. It just makes it life so much easier for me, you know. But yeah, so far so good. Really liking these products. I am impressed. And this is just a leave-in conditioner and a heat protectant. Like, I am dying to try out what the dry shampoo, how that's going to work. So, like I said, I'm going to wear my hair like this, and usually I have to wash it about every other day. So today is Tuesday now, so by Thursday, we should be able to really test out and see how that dry shampoo is going to work. So let's stay tuned, and I will see you guys. Well, I'll see you guys in just a second, but for me, it'll be a few days. Okay, you guys, it has been 2 days since I last recorded. Normally, within the 2 days after I wash my hair, it usually gets super greasy. The fact that there's not a lot of grease in my hair feels like that's saying a lot for me. I feel like that leave-in conditioner and the, what was it, the heat protectants, since they were both, didn't feel greasy or anything like that, I feel like those might have actually helped prevent my hair from getting so greasy so quickly. But in order to get this video out, I'm still going to try out the dry shampoo. So even though I don't have a whole lot of grease in my hair, and it's still pretty straight from the last time I straightened it, I haven't done or put anything else in my hair at all. It's still completely 100% from the last time. But I'm going to try out this dry shampoo. So let's read these directions. So this says it has a purifying blend of charcoal and natural starches to absorb excess oil at the roots while drying out impurities from the scalp and hair. For the usage, shake well before use, twist the cap to reveal the spray dispenser, squeeze the bottle, and dispense evenly 5 inches away from hair, focusing on the roots. Let dry shampoo sit for 2 minutes and then comb through the hair thoroughly until the powder is fully absorbed. So we're going to spray this only on our roots and then let it sit for 2 minutes. Like I said before, you have the little hole and then you turn it. If I can get this in good view to review so you can see the dispenser inside. See? No dispenser and dispenser. So you can kind of see the little hole from when it sprays out at. Let's just shake it. It feels liquidy, but it came out as powdery when I sprayed it, tested it out the other day. So I'm kind of curious about that. But let's get this in. Don't mind if I'm not looking at the camera because I am looking in a mirror. Ooh, it is very white, and that concerns me. I hope that's not going to stay. Let that sit for a second. The good news is the white powder, it looks like it was dispensing. It's not really staying in my hair. It looks like it's kind of absorbing into the hair color, which I'm glad. I know there are some dry shampoos out there that when you spray them into your hair, it can kind of look like your hair is changing into another color, especially for people with darker hair. So as of right now, I would say this is going to be good for any color hair type because it's going to start blending in. Again, it doesn't have, this one does not have a strong scent. I know the leave-in conditioner had a citrus scent, but this one did not. So let's take a look at some of these ingredients. There's like a rice starch, a corn starch, sodium bicarbonate, tapioca root starch, bamboo powder, charcoal powder. It does say orange peel oil, but you can't smell any orange scent in this whatsoever, in my opinion anyway. But like I said, these are not exactly the cheapest hair products. You know, I think this dry shampoo is like 24 bucks, I think is what it was, and you only get 1.7 ounces. I do like that it's not in like an aerosol can, so it's kind of like you're just getting straight product into your hair. And, you know, in those aerosol cans, when you spray, there's always something else to make it into, it's always like packed more with like air or oxygen, whatever it is that helps it spray out. And this one, you get straight product. So for me, that's kind of a plus. And, you know, again, no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. There's a lot of stuff that this does not have. And again, I really wanted to try the charcoal hair mask. I've been hearing such great things about that, but when I went to order from Sephora, they were out of the travel size item of that, and I couldn't afford to get a large one at the time. So that is something I definitely want to try out for you guys, and if that's something that you guys are interested in, make sure you go down and you comment or you like this video, and I will check that out as well. Okay, so I feel like it has been 2 minutes. So what's it say? Okay, so you let it sit 2 minutes, and then you're supposed to comb it out. I don't have a comb. I'm just going to brush. This side is so soft. It literally looks like I just went and styled it and straightened it all out. Like, it feels incredible on that side. I'm really impressed by these products. Brushing out, it's not tangling. Not fully. My hair tangles really bad anyways, but a lot of products really make my tangles worse, and I'm really impressed that this one is not, especially with how I was just not even properly separating my pieces of my hair to get that in. Hair looks smooth. It does not look or feel greasy at the roots. You can see that at all. I'm kind of bending down a little bit so you guys can really see. But the hair feels like super incredible. I'm actually really impressed. I've never used products that made my hair feel quite like this before, so this is quite a huge deal for me. Like, I hate the price, but I'm loving the products. so I'm kind of torn between. But I really feel like I have found some new hair products, and I really feel like this is something I'm going to want to continually keep buying and using. Briogeo knows exactly what they are doing with hair products, and if just these little ones, I feel like they did so much. I can't wait to try everything else on the line. There's a lot of goodies in their hair care line, all that you can buy purchase on briogeo.com or even through Sephora's website, which is where I was going. I think I'm going to have to completely recommend this to everybody I know because my hair feels incredible. I mean, just look at how straight that is. But anyways, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you go down and give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on to be notified whenever I come out with a new video. And make sure you follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Rebecca Christine Makeup, as well as Twitter at Rebecca Makeup 10. Alright, you guys, if there's anything else that you guys want to see in any of my future videos, make sure you comment them down below, and I will do what I can to check them out for you guys. And in the meantime, I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye, guys.